What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another video. Now today I'm bringing you my choice for New World Cigar of the Week, and this week it is the phenomenal Alec Bradley Black Market Esteli in Gran Toro size. And this is a phenomenal 5 5/8 by 56 ring gauge, real chunky cigar to hold in your hand. As always, you've got that beautiful imprinted band that's covering a good 3/4 of the cigar there, but you can see that top edge there. It's just beautiful dark espresso brown colors, just very well packed in as well. You definitely know this cigar is going to pack a punch. It's so chock full of tobacco. It's definitely going to be a real nice one. Let's stop talking about it. Let's get it cut and lit. Let's move on to the first third. I'll check you in a second. So guys, I'm just about halfway through the first third of this cigar, and the flavors I've been getting is some real nice spiciness that I was kind of expecting with that Nicaraguan filler and wrapper. The binder's actually got some Honduran in there as well, so it's kind of, that's bringing it a little bit more mellow, but that Nicaraguan mineraliness, just almost chewing that smoke with every puff. It's just beautiful. There's a little bit of sweetness coming through, and it's almost like it's like a medjool date sweetness, that very kind of just underlying, slightly sour sweetness that's just very nice and balanced. Not blowing my head off just yet. I was expecting that with quite a big ring gauge and quite a considerable size cigar. I'm really looking forward to see where this goes. The middle third, I'm expecting big things. Let's see what it's got. I'll catch you in a few seconds. See you soon. Welcome back, everyone. So I'm into the middle third of the cigar, and the flavors have really developed into something quite unique. And the only thing I can really compare it to is like almost like a root beer. There's like that real nice kind of sort of root beery sweetness, kind of a little bit of a tang as well. Just simply stunning, and the draw's been impeccable. The ash has been built up really nicely. The ash only just fell off just as I got just to the halfway point, just in time for me to get to the ashtray. But no, it's held really well. The draw, like I said, has been incredible. I've gone for a V-cut on this. I tend to go V-cut. Anything kind of robusto or bigger, I tend to go for that V-cut. It's just going to give you a little bit more airflow. You're going to be able to get those flavors and those experiences a little bit easier. Really enjoyable. The box alone, can we just talk about this box? It's simply stunning. That bright yellow, almost like a treasure chest, and these are definitely some treasure that you're going to want. I'm going to carry on with this. I'm going to take this little small band off, carry on as far as I can go. Let's see what it's got in store. I'll see you in the final third. So guys, I'm just into the final third of this cigar now, and the flavors have really intensified and developed into something I wasn't expecting. I'm getting licorice notes, I'm getting chocolate on the finish, what wasn't there for the first 2/3 of the cigar. So real something that's going to intensify and complexify and give you some real unique flavors. Definitely going to be one of those ones you're going to want in your humidor. Pick them up in one of our stores now if you want to enjoy them on New Year's Eve. Speaking of that, head over to the website. It's cigars.com, that's cigars.com. Pick yourself up some of these. You're not going to be disappointed. And if you've liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let me know what you'd like my next New World Cigar of the Week to be. I'm open to suggestions. I want to try as many new things, and I want you to be there along for the journey. Until next time, Happy New Year to you all. Please take care of yourselves. Peace.